It's 2021 and we're adding jobs on Facebook. It's free. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Facebook page, click on settings. We want to go up to templates and tabs. Make sure the job tab is turned on. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit here. Jobs, flip the switch. You can now refresh the page or just go to the main page, as I'm doing here. Manage jobs. Create jobs. Pay close attention to the options that it provides here. There's all kinds of things on the left-hand column. So you've got all kinds of options where you get it where you want it. Click next. You don't have to boost the job. This will show your ad anywhere in the area. So it'll go on your Facebook page, and it will also go in the listings that Facebook has online. So if you're looking for a job in Kansas City, it's going to show up in the Kansas City listings, as well as on your Facebook page. And when I want to close the job, I just click it. And because this is not real, I'm going to go ahead and delete the post. I don't want people seeing it. And that's it.